Hello and thank you for joining us at Easy Cooking. Today we're short on time, so I'm going to make a very quick, very easy potato chicken casserole. Honestly, you guys will be surprised how easy this is. It takes only a few minutes to prep and an hour to bake, during which time you can do whatever else you need to do. Before we get started, let's see what we need for our recipe. Peeled russet potatoes, water, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and boneless chicken thighs. Well, let's get going then. First, we're going to start with adding our water to the casserole dish. We don't need a whole lot of water because we don't want to boil the potatoes. We want to make sure they're baked. We're going to put some pepper. We're going to put some salt. We're going to put our oil. Then we're going to give it a good stir just to make sure that when we add all the potatoes and everything, we're going to have everything well mixed, and there's going to be even distribution of everything. Okay, we're going to keep our spoon in here. And now we're going to cut our potatoes and pretty much just put them right inside the casserole dish. Again, this is super easy, you guys. Water, oil, salt, pepper. You throw everything together and you put it right inside your oven. You don't want to make your potatoes too thick, but you also don't want to make them too thin. This is about what I do as far as thickness goes. We're going to toss them right in here. You don't need to make any other dishes dirty. Now that our potatoes are ready, we're going to give it a good stir just to coat them with the oil and water mixture. This is good. We're going to pat them like this. We're going to do our chicken. Now we're going to add our chicken to the mixture. What I do is I just lay it right on top of the potatoes. That way the juices from the chicken get soaked right in. Give the potatoes a lot nicer flavor. And that's enough. We're going to do this, and today I'm using skinless, boneless chicken thighs. You can use drums, you can use whatever part of the chicken you want. We're going to top off with a little bit of salt at the end, just to give the chicken nice flavor. A little bit of black pepper. And it's that easy. I hope you guys really find this one easy. Now it goes to the oven. I will start with 45 minutes. It's been a while since I've made it. I don't want to burn it, so I'll do 45 minutes on my timer on 425 degrees, and we'll see how we did. At the end we may add 15 minutes, we may not. It just depends on how it turns out. Our timer went off. We actually ended up cooking it for just 45 minutes. I put a little less potatoes this time. You may want to do a full hour depending on exactly how much you put. Smells really good. It looks really good. Let me show you. It looks and smells amazing. It's still very hot, but I'll serve myself a little bit and we'll try to see how it turned. The dish has cooled off enough. I actually ended up adding another 15 minutes to it because I felt like it needed it. So I'll definitely do a full hour on it, and then it'll be ready. And now let's see how we did today. I did not grab a knife, but hopefully it'll be good. The chicken is good. And the potatoes are very nice and moist. And they have a great flavor. It's pretty much almost like a French fry. This is really good. I'm going to finish it. And I hope you enjoyed our video. Super simple dinner tonight. Share with your friends, share with your family, subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you next time. Enjoy your night.